Welcome guys to 30 Days of Learning Canva. In this video, we will learn how we can design a mug in Canva. First, we need to open Canva front page. Then from Design Spotlight tab, we will select Mug Design Template. Let's make a graduation cup design. First, we will search for graduation cap in Elements tab. And place it into our mug. And then write congratulations in an attractive font. Then we will write graduation year and place it on the mug. And then write the name of the person for whom we are making the mug. Here is the final result. That's all from today's video. Thanks for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe our video.